My name is Christian Neo, and I'll be doing WP number 10. It's called Disastrous Day with My Friends. Number 1, it says, me and a couple of my friends want the last bag of chips in the kitchen, so we decided to deal with the dilemma by using a deck of cards. Whoever picks out an 8 of any suit gets the bag of chips. What is the probability that I will pick out an 8 out of the deck? So, there are 4 suits of 8, so there's 52 cards, which reduces to 113, which is 7.69% that I'll get it. For number 2, that's our answer right there. And for number 2, then when I just opened the fridge, there was a last bottle of soda. All of us wanted the mouth-watering soda, so we decided to deal with the problem by rolling a six-sided dice and flipping a coin. Whoever rolls a 5 and lands on a head will gets to drink the soda. What is the probability that I'll be able to drink that soda? So rolling a 5 out of 6-sided is a 1/6 chance, and you also have to get a head, so that's 1/2. So 1/12 chance, which is 8.3%. Number 3, when I opened the cabinet, there was a last Oreo waiting to be eaten. All of my friends wanted to eat it as well, so we decided to solve the problem with cards. In order to win, one must pick out a 10, a 9, an 8, and a 7 with a probability that I'll pick out those cards without replacements. So it would be 4, 52. Then you pick out another one, which is 4, 51 cards. Pick another one, 4 to 50, and another one. And each one stay on top 4 because it's a different number and there's 4 of each number. This reduces to 113 times 451 times 225 times 449. And once you plug that into your calculator, the top will go to 32 and the bottom will be 81.75, which is 0.0039% that you'll get that. Number 4, we all went back to the room to play video games, but I only had 2 controllers. I got the first controller, but I didn't know who to give the other controller. I had someone choose from 1 to 10. Whoever chose the 3 or prime number would get the controller. With the probability that I'll get that someone will get that. So rolling a number greater than 3. No, rolling a 3. Choosing a 10 out of 3 is 1 out of 10 chance, plus prime number. There's 4 prime numbers, one from 1 to 10, so that would equal 5 tenths, which reduced to 1/2. So you have 50% chance of getting that 5. After playing the video games, we went outside to go bike riding. We only had 2 bikes, but there's 4 of us, so I got the first bike. So whoever rolled a 6-sided die and got a number greater or equal, and got a number greater or equal to 4, or an odd number wins. What is probability of rolling that? So number greater than 3, there's a 3/6 chance, and then in an odd number, there's 3 out of 6 odd numbers, and the probability of both of us happening is a 1/6 chance. So you're left with 5/6, which is an 83% chance, and 6 kind of tricky. So we finally all came back home. We saw the final delicious pizza slice on the table. We couldn't figure out who would eat it, so we decided to solve by using a deck of cards made up of 110 cards. Each player got 7 cards, 25 each are red, blue, yellow, and green, and then 10 of wild cards. What is the probability that a hand will contain 3 wild cards, 4 red cards, and 3 blue cards? So on the bottom, there's 110 cards, and each player gets 7. So we want 4 red cards, so 25C, and then we also want 3 blue cards, and then since we don't worry about the other cards, we don't need it. It's gonna be 25C0, which automatically equals to 1, and then times 10C3. So once you plug that into your calculator, you would get 1, and then that would equal 10.97 chance of getting that hand, and that's my WPB.